Aidan, I think we've played our get out of jail card in this campaign already, have we?
Yeah, possibly. I mean, I thought the main thing is that we got the 3 points. Very, very difficult place to play. I mean, obviously I'm a little bit more used to it than the rest of the boys playing in this Astrograss, but almost 9 hours in a flight to get here, playing 10 o'clock at night. I mean, it's it's totally different from the norm for a lot of the team. But we didn't play well tonight. We know that, but just great to start the campaign off with 3 points.
How did the pitch compare to ones that you have played on, though?
To be honest, it's not the same as the one that we've got at Spartak. It's not as long, and obviously it wasn't water tonight. It's a little bit more sticky, so obviously it was difficult to really get the game going on it, I thought.
Was at one stage, did you think that it was game up for us?
Yeah, but I mean, obviously you need to keep battling till the end, and obviously Doyle came on, and to be fair to him, changed the game. I thought, the last 10 minutes, and it's obviously got us out of jail, like you said.
John O'Shea with us as well. John, they say sometimes it's better to be a lucky general, and Trapattoni's lucky.
Yeah, without a doubt, you'd have to say so after tonight. It's one of those things. They had kind of a chance from the free kick and they score from it, and they get a lot of momentum and encouragement from that, because they were sitting back in basically 10 players defending, and they were waiting to cause a few problems on the counter attack, and we let them do that a few times, and unfortunately they won a free kick from it and they scored from it, and they get a lot of momentum and they get a lot of belief from it, and thankfully we've got the players that still had the belief to keep going. We spoke about it at half time, just to keep going, keep doing what we're doing, and we'll get the chances. And thankfully, as Aidan said, Kevin came on, and he came on with a point to prove, and he proved it.
Was there any panic at half time? Because certainly in the crowd we were panicking. I'm sure people watching at home were as well.
Well, there was a bit, yeah, to be honest, but the manager and the coaches spoke about just look, they're playing a waiting game to try and cause us problems, and let's keep passing it as much as we can, getting it out wide, and getting, obviously Jonathan Walters in was causing lots of problems for them. We were winning lots of second balls. I'm trying to get the ball to Aidan as much as we can to get some crosses in, and we were eventually kind of getting half chances, but nothing too clear. Thankfully we got the penalty.
Is that maybe the hangover, the final hangover from the Euros? You would hope maybe that's it out of our system now?
Yeah, we hope so, because I mean, look, we're not kidding ourselves. We got very lucky here tonight, and it would have been a huge embarrassment if we didn't get the 3 points. Let alone with a few minutes to go, you're thinking you'll be happy with a point, but when we did get the goal, a few of the lads are shouting themselves, we've time to get a winner here, and thankfully we did.
We started similarly in some ways, results-wise, against Armenia the last time, and we got all the way to the Euros. Are Kazakhstan maybe better than we gave them credit for?
Definitely, I think they'll cause a few surprises on that pitch. I mean, they definitely popped the ball around and surprised us. Oh, it's funny the way it works. I mean, last campaign when we beat Armenia 1-0, it was seen as a terrible result, and then in the end they were vying with us for qualification. So who knows, Kazakhstan might do the same.
We'll have to be better though against Germany in Dublin in October.
Of course, we'll have to be better, but we'll go home happy enough with the 3 points. But obviously we'll take a look back at the game, and we'll try and learn from our mistakes.
Okay, well done on the result tonight, boys. Thanks very much.
Thanks.
Thank you. Cheers, lads.